Hi, I'm Lynsey, Queen of Clean, and I have teamed up with the fabulous Swan brand to bring to you a video on how to start your big spring clean. Now, in our everyday cleaning in our homes, we often concentrate on our surfaces and our floors, but there are areas in the home we do tend to forget to clean. So when it comes to the big spring clean and we've got a bit of extra time on our hands, we can now focus on these areas. So starting in the kitchen, the areas that we do sometimes forget to clean are the tops of our cupboards, our cupboard handles and inside of our cupboards, the baseboards, our appliances such as our fridge, our freezer, our dishwasher and our washing machine. Also with the cooker, the extractor fans, they need a really good clean, and not forgetting those dreaded plug holes. So the next job in the kitchen is those extractor fans. Now these can get really sticky and grimy, and they can also hold on to those nasty cooking odours. Take them down, pop them in a bowl of warm soapy water with a good helping of white wine vinegar. These two items will degrease your extractor fans and bring them up brand new. So moving on into our lounge, this room shouldn't be too bad, but this time of year is the perfect time to move your sofa and to clean underneath it, really focusing on your skirting boards. Don't forget to reach up high for those cobwebs, and your TV remote controls are going to be a big germ hotspot in your lounge. If you've got removable cushion covers, it's a good time of year to take these off, pop them in the wash and let them air outside in the lovely spring weather. How often do you pull out your sofa? Let's pull our sofas out for the big spring clean. Vacuum underneath them, wash the floor and dust the skirting board. Our sofas contain lots of bacteria and germs. We spend so much time of our life sat on our sofas eating food, so they do get grubby. A good way to keep your sofa clean is to give it a really good steam. Now steam will kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, so it's definitely a great way to keep your sofa fresh and looking new. So moving into our bathroom. Our bathrooms are one of the germiest places in our homes. It's a massive germ hotspot full of soap scum and bacteria. In this room, you need to focus on your light switches, your toilet handle, your pull cord if you have one, your extractor fan, lime scale that could be present on your taps and your shower head, and not forgetting to give the toilet an extra deep clean. Also, don't forget the cupboards, empty out any products, check expiry dates and put back only what you need. Make sure your bathroom is sparkling clean at the end of your spring clean. An item that we do often forget to clean in the bathroom is the shower head. If you can, unscrew your shower head, pop it into a sealed plastic bag. A sandwich bag normally works really well here, and pour in some white wine vinegar. If your shower head doesn't have the luxury of coming down, drench a paper towel in white wine vinegar and carefully wrap this around your shower heads. So moving on into the bedrooms, kids' bedrooms, your bedroom, these need a really good deep clean for spring. If you've got children's bedrooms, they're bound to have toys, soft toys that are going to need a little bit of attention. Move beds where you can and furniture so that you can vacuum underneath and around these things. Reach up high for cobwebs, have a really good dust. Also use a wet cloth in the bedroom so you're actually picking the dust up rather than just pushing the dust around. Open up those wardrobes and cupboards and have a really, really good declutter. Open the windows and let the fresh air in. I hope you enjoyed my spring clean tips with the fabulous Swan brand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.